Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup. As you can see, it's very girly and you know, pinkish, purplish with a little bit of glitter. I'm ready for Valentine's. Are you? So I guess I'm going to start my Valentine's Day's inspired makeup looks because you know Valentine's Day is like around the corner. So today I did this soft makeup. I know it's not soft, but it's kind of soft, you know what I'm saying? It's girly, romantic, soft. Anyway, and to achieve this makeup look, I did use 3 eyeshadow palettes. I mean, I used 1 eyeshadow from this palette, 2 eyeshadows from this one, 1 from this one. So yeah, that's why I used 3 eyeshadow palettes. You don't have to have these eyeshadow palettes. You can totally use whatever colors you have. So that's why I used 3 eyeshadow palettes. Also, I used a highlight on my lids. This is a ColourPop highlight. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to show you how pretty this is if the camera wants to focus. Wow, this looks wet in the pan and it's gorgeous. So yeah, I did apply this on my lids, and I guess that's it for my intro. I feel like it's so long. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Today I feel a little bit girly and I said let's put some makeup and look cute, because I don't look cute all day every day, you know what I'm saying? So I just did my hair and it's kind of cute or whatever. And today I'm going to use 3 or 4 eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I want to create something pinkish, girly with a little bit of glitter. So I have my Dominique Cosmetics palette, then I have the Perception and ColourPop, then I have the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. This is the Bling Boss, and then I have this Eye Magic glitter eyeshadows. Also, I want to use a little bit of this highlight. This is from ColourPop in the shade On the Moon. So this is a highlight, but I want to use this on my eyes. I don't know how yet. Also, I have this glittery eyeliner and glitter primer. So let's do this. As you can see, I already primed my lids, and I really like to use this Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is in the shade Ivory. This makes the color, this is a little bit too white to use it on my face. I just like to use this on my lids because this makes the colors pop because it's very light. So yeah, I'm going to zoom you a little bit closer, and let's do this. As you can see, I didn't set my concealer on my lids. I don't know why. I want to use a sticky base today. Don't ask me why. From the same palette, I'm taking Revenge, and I'm using a smaller blending brush. From the Latte palette, I'm going to take Mocha, and I'm going to darken my outer corner right here. With the same brush, I'm going to take Revenge again. Going back with Mocha. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using the exact same concealer and a small and a small flat brush. And I think I'm going to do I don't know, half cut crease. From the Bling Bling palette, I'm going to take Bling Bling eyeshadow, and it's this gorgeous pinkish rose gold metallic color, and I'm going to apply this where I applied the concealer. And I think I'm going to wet my brush. So I'm going back with a little bit of Mocha and maybe a little bit of Revenge. Okay, I can do this, okay? I can show you. But I'm going to mix a little bit of Mocha and Revenge, and I'm going to apply it right here. Okay, so next, I don't know if I want to apply glitter on top or I want to go with this highlight. This is so gorgeous. It has like little glitters, but they are not like huge chunks of glitters. But this is like huge chunks of glitter, as you can see. I don't know if I want to apply a little bit of this and a little bit of this. Honestly, I have no idea. I think I'm going to go with the highlight and see what that does. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to apply the highlight. I don't know if you can see. This is gorgeous. I hope you can see that on camera. Okay, I think I'm going to do a wing liner because why not? And I'm going to use this Revolution wing liner. And let's hope for the best. Let's hope I can match my wing liner on my other eye. Next, I'm going to do my other eye, also my face makeup off camera. And I'm going to be right back to continue this makeup. So far, I like it. Okay, as you can see, I did my face makeup. Also, I did my left eye. And we have a situation. You can see that the... I don't know if that's the concealer, the eyeshadow, the glitter primer, or the highlight. I don't know what did that, but it did separate it a little bit. As you can see, it looks a little bit better now, and honestly I don't know what did that. I want to think that is the highlight because it's, I don't know, it's creamy. It has this moussey texture, and I want to think that is the highlight, even though this is so gorgeous. And as you can see on this eye, I did apply a little bit of glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to do that right now on this eye as well. And I'm using this glitter eyeliner. I found this on Amazon and it was like, I don't know, 99 cents, something like that. I've been using this for a while now, and honestly I love it. I love it so much. The glitters are so extra fine. So this is from China and it says Hang Fang. Yeah, but it's so good. I'm going to apply this right where I have the crease. I'm going to do more coats. Also, I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and to do that I'm going to use the Wild Precious Petals highlighter. This is, wow, gorgeous. On my bottom lash line I'm going to use Revenge, and then I'm going to blend Revenge with Culture. So this is what I have on this eye. And as you can see, I'm not connecting my bottom lash line with the wing liner because I want my wing liner to look clean, if that makes sense. Also, I did contour my nose. Wow. Yeah, I clearly don't know how to contour my nose, but you know, practice makes perfect. I really like how I Love Sarah contours her nose. I'm going to get there someday. Not now, not today, obviously, but I'm going to get there someday. I have hopes. Practice makes perfect, you guys. Okay, let's set my makeup. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Spray. Okay, the lashes are on, and honestly, I love how this makeup turned out. Next, I'm going to do my lips, and we all know that I'm going to use a nude lipstick because that's the vibe. And I'm going to use the ColourPop and Disney Designer in the shade Ariel. But first I'm going to line my lips with this ColourPop Skimpy liner, so let's do that. Because I feel like it's a little bit too dark, I'm going to apply the Skimpy lipstick, but right in the center. Alright guys, so I guess that's it. This is the final look. I really like how this turned out. I feel like it's girly and soft, and even though we did a wing liner, a very bold wing liner, I still feel like this is soft and, I don't know, ready for Valentine's Day. Let me know down below what do you think. So I guess I'm going to start my Valentine's Day makeup tutorials, inspiration, anyway. And as you can see, we still have that situation going on my lids. But as you can see, I did apply this very long and fluffy lashes, and that kind of hides our situation. And I still want to believe that is the highlight that did that on my lids, just because, as I said, this feels like a cream, like moussey. I don't know how to explain that. But as I said, the lashes hides that, and I'm not mad. I mean, I am a little bit mad, but I'm not mad. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what do you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I don't know.